Hey there, silicone roasting rack. This is a game changer in the kitchen. This was sent to me to try out, and I gotta say, I enjoyed it much more than I expected. With the product, you are not just gonna get one, you are gonna get two silicone roasting racks, and they come in this reusable mesh bag, so it can be used for going to the grocery store and getting produce, or storing something at home, or storing the roasting racks. The roasting racks are a good size. I actually used mine in a 13x9 baking dish. They are flexible, and you'd think that would be flimsy, but they're not, because I ended up using this to make meatloaf because I wanted to see if the meatloaf actually fell through the slats because they're pretty wide. The meatloaf baked up beautifully in it. It stayed on top of the rack. All the fat dripped to the bottom. I didn't have to fish it out of either a loaf pan like I've done before, or the meatloaf just sits on the pan and sits in its own fat. This, remarkably well for it. Cleanup, even easier. If you've ever used a metal roasting rack, trying to get grease off the grids or off the slats, it can be a pain. Not this. This cleaned up, hand washed it, soap and water, perfect. These are also dishwasher safe, so if you want to just throw it in the dishwasher, you can also do that. These are good up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're not just for roasting things on. These make a great trivet for those hot pans coming out of the oven. I really like the durability of these. I like that they don't retain the heat. Perfect for roasting chicken and roasts and meatloaf and anything else you can think of to put on a roasting rack. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if these silicone kitchen roasting racks are a good fit for you.